Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Mervin Rajero, 32 years old from Philippines. I am applying for the position of domestic helper and I have experience as a housemaid here in Philippines for 2 years. And my second is in Saudi Arabia for 3 months only. Why 3 months? Because that time I got sick. That's why I need to go home to remove my implant. Family planning here in my arms. And now, I'm fit to work and ready again for my second time around to pursue my dreams for my family, especially for my kids. This is this experience taught me how to work properly. I highly motivated and organized. Domestic helper with a passion for providing expectational housekeeping services. I'm a hardworking person, responsible, honest, patient, happy person especially, and capable of working independent and always open to learning and improving to meet your expectation of my employer. If ever you will choose me as your domestic helper, I will promise to fulfill all my duties and house with a good heart. And thank you so much, ma'am, sir, and I hope I will be the part of your family soon. Thank you.